Everyone, welcome back. In this session, we are going to see about how to implement many-to-many relationship using composite primary key and foreign key. I am opening the same project which we used in the last session. This, this project we used in last session. We are continuing with the same project. Now we are going to create one more model named courses. We are adding few properties for this model courses. This course ID. One more thing is course name. Okay. Now many-to-many relationship comes to picture here. How one student may enroll many courses, right? The same way one course may have enrolled with many students. So many relationship between student class and course class. So there is no direct method to handle many-to-many relationship. So we are going to introduce a new joining table called students courses. Here we are adding student entity as well as course entity in the same class. Student entity means public student. Also course entity. Okay, then we need to add, sorry, okay, now we need to add primary key of those two tables. So what is primary key? This is primary key in student table. The same way, primary key in the course table. Okay, now we created the joining table. Now we know that one student may have many courses and one course may have many students. So we are going to add collection of student courses in both student as well as courses. Collection of this one. You can copy this collection property and we can paste it in the student entity also. Now we need to look into students course table. The student course table. Here we mentioned two IDs, right? Which one is primary key? How we can say this one is primary key? Like here we have two IDs. One is student ID and one is course ID. But we need to define the primary key. How to define it? The primary key should be a composite primary key. So we can't define it directly here. We have other option to do this inside student DB context class. So we look into the student DB context class. Here we have one more overriding method. We can override that method now. This is on model creating. This line of code is auto generated. We can remove this code and we can write our code here. We are going to create a composite primary key for which entity, that is student courses. So we need to put here student courses. As is which are the composite primary keys. One is student ID, one is course ID. We need to define it here. Okay, that's it. Now we can build the solution. We have some issues. Oh, I missed the keyword new. Okay, now we can build the solution. Now we can run the migration scripts. We already know we have two migration scripts. We already used in previous sessions. One is add migration. One more thing is update database. First, I will run the add migration script. Oh, we are facing some issues in our model. What is that? Entity type course requires a primary key. Go to course. In courses, we not define primary key, but we provided some course ID. Why it not takes it as a primary key? Because here we are providing the class name as courses, but here we provide as course. So the primary key should contain the prefix of this class name, but we not using that convention. So it gives the ID error. So we can put as courses ID, then error will solve. But courses ID is not meaningful. I need only course ID. Then entity framework will not recognize this as a primary key. We need to tell this as a primary key. How we can tell? We have some data annotation. That is key. If you tell like key, if entity framework that not able to find the or not able to recognize the primary key, then it takes this property as a primary key. So we are telling the entity framework this is a key. Okay, now we can build a solution. Now we can run the same migration script. Yes, now success. Now we can run second migration script, that is update database. Yes, it's also success. Yes, it's also success. We can go to our database and we can see. Here new table created students courses. Yes, here two foreign key references created. See here for the students courses, one foreign key reference is courses ID, that is referencing the course ID in the course table. Another foreign key is student ID that references the ID of students table. Here we created the composite primary key, right? Where see here we created a composite primary key like this. Like this. That composite primary key is created based SQL like this. Primary key with two fields. So this is composite primary key. Okay, that's it. In this session, we have seen about many-to-many relationship. In next session, we will see thread operation, that is create, update, delete operation. Thanks for watching.